Hey guys, welcome back to this video. If you cannot tell already, I am so excited. An Hermès bag unboxing does not come along that often for me, at least. So whenever I get a new bag, I am so excited to share with you guys. And today's bag, well, it's not a quota bag, spoiler alert, is an item that was on my recent wish list that I shared with you guys. So you want to check out the item and the Hermès bag that I picked up from the boutique. Definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below. Please also consider hitting that subscribe button too. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Alright, so this is a pretty rare for me event because I'm going to be unboxing a wish list bag for you guys today. Based on the size, you probably have guesses already, but I'm so excited that I was able to get this bag. You probably obviously don't know the color or the hardware, so hopefully this will be fun for you as well. I did disclose to you earlier in the intro, of course, this is not a quota bag, just in case you're curious. I still am hoping to score my quota bag, but that just hasn't happened yet. But I was surprised by my SA because during the visit that I was there, I actually didn't even ask about bags. And he had mentioned, oh, by the way, let's go through your wish list. And I went through some of the items that were top on my list again. And then he said, well, unfortunately, we don't have any quota bags now available, but what about some non-quota bags? So then we went through some of those, and then he said, well, I actually have something that I want to surprise you with, and I want to offer one of those bags to you. Super excited about that. I was very nervous as he went in the back stock room though, because I didn't know what kind of color it was or hardware. And I will definitely decline a bag if it's not something that I really like. In fact, I did decline a similar bag to this one before just because the colorway was not something I was looking for. So I was really nervous about it because I do feel bad about declining bags, of course, although I think you should because you're spending a lot of money, you want to get what you want. It is obviously, admittedly, a little uncomfortable because the sales associates get so excited to show you something. And if you decline it, you know, you feel like you're going to hurt their feelings or they may take it personally. So I was nervous about it, but this one was one of my perfect bags in this particular style for me. So I'm just going to get into this and share with you guys what I picked up. So let me go ahead and unbox it. I have not seen this since the boutique, so I'm excited to open this up with you guys here live. Alright, so it's a small box, obviously, so that narrows things down quite a bit. It does have a little care booklet in here, which is pretty thick. I've never actually read this before, but it's a pretty thick care booklet. And then the beautiful soft tissue paper that we know and love. And here is the bag. Alright, so you probably know what it is, but you don't know the colorway. So comment below. Even if you've seen my wish list video, you don't know what this is, I think. So comment below. I'll pause for a minute. What do you think this is? What do you think the colorway is? Alright, so let's go ahead and reveal to you my beautiful new bag. I'm so excited to start using this. So this is, of course, the Evelyne or Evelyne in the TPM size, which is still pretty hard to come by, we'll say, even though it's non-quota. And it's in the gold color. This is probably my favorite color at Hermès, like a lot of you I know. But it's just their classic tan, cognac, almost brown color, which I totally love. I was so excited when he brought this color out because I knew there's no question I was going to pick this up. It's perfect for me. And this does have the palladium hardware. He does know I slightly prefer gold tone hardware, but honestly, the hardware is not a deal breaker for me when it comes to bags because I mix my metals all the time. So I was fine with the palladium hardware here. And in fact, I think with this particular style of bag, the palladium hardware is nice because this is a more casual vibe, obviously. And I think the palladium makes it more of a casual style bag. So no doubt you guys have seen this many times here on YouTube and elsewhere, but I will show you a quick tour. And let me just remove what's inside in the strap. And then let me go ahead and just put the strap on for you guys as well. And with this particular colorway, this is a tonal canvas strap. I believe if you get this bag in a taupe, it does come with a contrast color strap, but this one is the tonal gold color canvas strap. So here's how the bag looks with the strap. And again, this is the TPM size, or 16 centimeter size. Besides this size, I also did have on my wish list the PM size, or size up from this, but that is 29 centimeters. So that is a huge difference, nearly double the width of this bag. So I think these two sizes, the TPM and PM, just really are two different bags. It's hard to compare them because I think they're used for very different purposes and go with different types of looks. So this is the more petite, cuter size that is a little bit harder to come by, I will say. So I definitely knew I wanted this size in my collection. I have no doubt over the coming years I will be adding the PM size as well, because again, I think that is practical if you need to carry more things around with you. And I just love this look, so no doubt I'm going to want to get that larger size too. But I think it's amazing that I got to pick up this TPM size right now, because I think it is still pretty hard to get. So it does have the perforated H's, you guys know from many videos, I'm sure already. And the whole intention of this bag was to carry horse items. So the H should be worn against your body to ventilate the horse items and care items in the bag. A lot of people wear the H on the outside, which I probably will as well, honestly, but that is what's featured here. And on the TPM size, there is no pocket. I believe the PM size does have a pocket. So again, at some point, I think that bag would also be great for me. But for this one, this is meant to be more of a mini bag, just carrying the essentials. And I'm definitely into that most days, especially the days that I run errands, especially without my kids. I just need my essentials, and this is gonna work super well for that. So let me go ahead and show you some of these details up close as well. So here's the beautiful bag. It is in Clemence leather, so you can definitely see the graining here, but it's super soft and it should age really, really well. It has the contrast stitching and the perforated H, as I just talked about. And here is a 360 of the body of the bag. As you guys are well aware, I'm sure, it does have this snap button closure, and I believe this is a leather color button. So that is one thing I'm a little nervous about. If you own this bag, let me know, does this button wear poorly? Meaning that I know for some other small leather goods that have leather color buttons, because you're touching the leather button a lot, the leather can wear off. So I'm a little nervous about that. It might have been nicer to just have the metal button here, but you know, we'll see how that goes. And then on the inside, as you probably again are aware, it's unlined in here. And that's to allow, I believe, the ventilation of this bag through the perforation. But it's a real soft, suede, unfinished lining here. And there are no pockets in the interior, it's just a big open kind of pit there. And then the strap here again is palladium hardware, as you can see, and it is branded here on the strap in case you're curious. And this is the canvas strap in the same colorway here. Okay, so I just wanted to show a couple of quick mod shots. This strap is not adjustable, in case you're curious, so that's something that may be a deal breaker for some people. So if I put it on my shoulder, again, I'm about 5'4", it hits pretty low for me, although I think that is definitely a look, right? So I think you can wear it like this, and I probably will, just sling it over my shoulder, but that's how low it goes, well beyond my hip. If I throw it on crossbody, which is really how I'm mostly going to wear this, it's not too long for me. I thought this would be too long, but it hits just about my hip bone, which for me actually looks good. I don't know what you guys think, but I think that hits me at a decent place, and it's not too long, and I can easily grab my items from the bag here. But I think it's just such a cute little bag and super practical for your essentials. This is probably how I'm mostly going to wear it. Alright, there you have it. That was my quick unboxing of my new beautiful Hermès Evelyne TPM in gold with palladium hardware. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I can't wait to start wearing it. As per usual, I will do a full review of this bag, what fits inside, wear and tear, once I get a chance to really test this out for you guys. But my first impressions obviously are amazing. I'm so excited to go ahead and start using this one. If you own this, comment below. Let me know what you think about yours. Is this a good buy? What do you think about this versus the PM size? Definitely curious to hear your thoughts. But happy to check off a wishlist item from Hermès. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.